Hi there, Billy Bailey with Old Ways Education. Today we're going to feature a tree that everybody is familiar with, but not everybody knows all of the benefits of it, and that is the American sweet gum tree. So I'm often asked, well, does it have any uses, or why is it everywhere? Or people say, I can't seem to get rid of it. It is considered a native invasive tree. That's because it loves disturbed soil. So any kind of human disturbance through agriculture, development, or altering the land, any of that promotes the growth of the American sweet gum tree. In a natural setting, they would pretty much be kept in check by fire, keeping them knocked back. But that being said, they are everywhere. So maybe it's good to know some of the uses of it. So the American sweet gum tree, to begin with, is an antiviral. If you're familiar with shikimic acid, we mentioned that back in the Eastern Red Cedar video. Shikimic acid is the base compound used to manufacture Tamiflu with because of the antiviral properties. Worldwide, sweet gum is the #2 source of shikimic acid, the #1 being the star anise. So how do you get the benefits of that? You make a tea with the leaves or you tincture the green fruit. And that's how generally you get the antiviral properties of that. You can also chew on the inside of the bark, hence the common name sweet gum. You can cook the sap down to make a sweetener. The sap is called storax. It has a wealth of benefits as well. In addition to being antiviral, it's also antimicrobial and antibacterial. So you can make a natural cleaning product with this plant by suspending the leaves or the bark or the fruit in alcohol or vinegar or a witch hazel and using that to clean countertops and cutting boards, different surfaces. So in addition to the medicinal benefits, it does have the use in the home as well. You can make a poultice or a kind of a field band-aid using the leaves of this plant because of the antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. It's also antiseptic. So chewing on the leaves can help with killing bacteria in your mouth. So a lot of benefits of this, but what a lot of people don't realize is that contained within these little fruits, these are the ones you hate to step on barefooted in the yard, each one of these little holes is where there was a seed. These are just starting to fall over the past couple of weeks. We're in about mid-October now. Some are still green, which is the ones you tincture for the antiviral property, but many are starting to drop and open up. The seeds are edible. You can get a handful of these as they start to fall and put them in a bag and shake them up and then pour out those little seeds. You can eat them raw. They're a good source of LDL or the good cholesterol, high in fiber, high in protein. You can also roast them and make a kind of a movie nights type snack that tastes about like sunflower seed kernels. The seeds are also an important source of food for wildlife. A lot of people don't realize that the American sweet gum seed is actually the primary food source for wood ducks, in addition to a host of other birds that rely on these seeds. So again, this is the American sweet gum tree, and Billy Bailey with Old Ways Education.